Find the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem here because we have a right triangle situation. Pythagorean theorem says for a right triangle, if the legs are A and then B and the hypotenuse is C, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So, if our A is 9 inches, it'll be 9 squared. And if our B is 7 inches, it'll be plus 7 squared equals C squared. So 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. Then plus 7 squared, 7 times 7 is 49, equals C squared. Now if you don't have these perfect squares memorized, you can multiply them out, or you can even use a calculator if you would like, but I just happen to know what they are. Now we're going to add 81 plus 49. Okay, so 130 equals C squared. And now we need to take the square root of both sides to find what C is, because some number times itself makes 130. So square root of 130 equals C. Again, square root of 130 times square root 130 makes 130. Now we just need to figure out what the square root of 130 equals. Use a calculator for that part. So we're just going to do square root of 130, 11.4. So 11.4 equals C. So right here we could say that the hypotenuse is 11.4 inches. And just as a check here, 11.4 is bigger than 7 and bigger than 9, which is good because the hypotenuse should be the longest side in the triangle. So this 11.4 does make sense. So that's how you can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse.